Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi. In this video I am going to show you how to cook mushroom chicken. It is an easy, quick and simple recipe but really very delicious. If you are new to my channel then please consider subscribing by clicking on that subscribe button down below. So let's get started. I have taken 350 grams of boneless, skinless chicken thighs which I have cut into bite-sized pieces. I have explained in detail how to cut the chicken in my chicken 65 recipe and I have left the link in the description box below, so please check out for that. To this chicken I added 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, half teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of corn flour or cornstarch, and mixed everything very well. Then let it marinate for at least 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the preparation for the sauce. In a bowl, add 3/4 of a cup of water. To it, add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce gives a nice dark brown color, that's why I like using it. But if you do not have it, then just add another tablespoon of regular soy sauce. Then add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, and finally 2 teaspoons of corn flour or cornstarch, and mix everything very well to a smooth consistency. Now heat a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil on high heat. Once the oil is smoking hot, add the chicken. Spread it in a single even layer and leave it untouched for a minute on high heat. What we are doing here is letting the chicken brown and develop color on that side, which will increase its flavor. So after a minute, stir it for 3 to 4 minutes on high heat. Then add 1/4 cup of water and immediately cover it. Then let it sit covered on medium heat for about 8 to 10 minutes. If you cut the chicken the way I showed you, into very thin strips, then it shouldn't take more than 8 minutes to be done. So after 8 minutes, uncover. The chicken has also turned tender. Always check your chicken in this way whether it is done or not. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Stir everything very well and take it off heat. Now I will be using the same pan in which I had fried the chicken because there is still some oil left. To it I added another tablespoon of oil on high heat. Once the oil is hot enough, in goes 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Stir it very well. Then comes 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Fry for a few seconds. And then add 1 large roughly chopped onion. Stir everything till the onion gets little soft. While my onions are getting soft, I cut 2 green onions. Next goes the white parts of the green onions. Stir very well. Then comes the cleaned and sliced mushrooms. Do not slice the mushrooms too thin or else they shrink too much once it's cooked. Stir everything on high heat. Whenever you use mushrooms in a recipe, always rinse the mushrooms just before cooking them. Never keep the mushrooms soaked in water. Just before cooking, rinse them, slice them, and immediately cook them. Soon you will see the mushrooms are releasing water, so keep stirring on high heat till all the water evaporates. Now everything is looking dry, so cover it on medium to low heat for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, uncover. Now you can add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Always remember not to add salt before this or else the mushrooms will release more water and will become soggy. So whenever you are cooking mushrooms, add salt at the end. Next I added about 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and then comes the cooked chicken. Stir everything for a minute. Then I added 1 chopped green chili. Green chilies are optional, but if you like chilies then please do add it. Then comes the green parts of the green onions. Finally comes the sauce that you had prepared earlier. Stir the sauce very well before adding. After adding the sauce, let it come up to a vigorous boil on high heat. This recipe is so quick and easy that you can even make it on a weeknight, and the ingredients are also so simple. Now that the sauce is bubbling vigorously, just give one final stir and then take it off heat. Garnish it with some fresh cilantro or coriander leaves and serve it with hot steamed rice. The chicken and the mushrooms with that coating of the sauce really taste so delicious. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and please do not forget to subscribe so that I can bring forth more recipes for you. Let me know in the comment section that what kind of recipes you want from me. So here you go, a delicious mouth-watering recipe for mushroom chicken. Thanks for watching. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.